So now I'm going to insulate this keyhole. In the winter, a lot of cold air comes through here, and I think it'll be at least 1% of the loss of heat from this room comes from that. So if I can stop that, then it's maybe small, 1%, but if I can do that for 10 different things, or even 20, that's a significant saving that I've made and a significant reduction in carbon emissions. So we only ever lock the door from the inside here, and that means that I can stop up the hole on the outside, and we'll still be able to lock the door with no trouble, but it'll completely stop the cold air from coming in. So here I'm going to insulate the keyhole. You can see there's a way straight through there into the room, so in the winter all the cold air just pours through that. So I'm going to create a way of stopping that. Here goes. So this comes off now, and then all I have to do is pack around here, and I'm just going to use some simple packing material. This is pretty insulative and it'll certainly stop the air from getting in. I'll push some in here, and I'll put some around the side here as well. Okay, so I've cut this little bit of foam that fits nicely in here, and then I've cut a bit of foam that fits really well in here, so it leaves space here for the screws to go in, and it leaves space here for the door handle to actually go on there. And so now all I have to do is put it back on, do the screws up, and there it's done. So that should stop any cold air coming in. I know it's only going to be about 1% of the heat loss from this room, but still each 1% combined makes a big difference, and that's only about 10 minutes work.